Guys, so you guys just saw my installation process of this wig. I'm gonna tell y'all about this wig. Okay, let's get into it. So this wig is from Yolissa Hair Company, and this is a 30-inch 6x6 closure body wave wig. And also this has been 3 weeks since I've installed it. So the footage you just saw was me 3 weeks ago. It was different, it was straight, it was in the middle. Like, I got that done for my birthday photo shoot. I ended up curling it too, but the curls kind of dropped, so it went back to its normal body wave type of texture. This hair is perfect. Like, I absolutely love this hair. Let me stand up and show y'all. So it's literally right to my butt. This is it curled. If you're wondering why I got body wave, is because when you get body wave, it will be longer when you straighten it. Maybe it'll be longer by 2 inches. As y'all saw, like, it was really long on me when it straightened. That's what I wanted. I wanted long hair. This is 200% density, so it's pretty full. It was full straightened, but it does shed. I don't think it's gonna be like a deal breaker to where, oh, I wish I didn't get this hair because it sheds, because like every wig is gonna shed. But if you are scared about the shedding, then maybe you should go up a density 250, but that was just a bit too expensive, and I did pay with it with my own money. Yolissa sponsored me. Wasn't really too expensive compared to all the other wigs I found for this exact details. Something else about the wig that I probably don't really like, the thing about Yolissa hair, you can't like pick which circumference of the wig you want. Some websites, it says if you want a small wig cap, a medium wig cap, or a large wig cap. This doesn't give you the option. It is kind of loose in the back for me. The reason why I also got this wig is so I can wear it glueless. The first time I put it on my head, it was installed, so there was glue, but there's gonna be times where I don't want to always install it. So what I do is I put an elastic band myself, and when I put an elastic band, it does the job for me. I have HD laces, but I got the transparent lace, and I really love this wig. This is second day curls, and it's still formed. Like, they haven't really dropped. When I first curled it, the curls were tighter, but the curls are still pretty tight. When you get body wave hair, they hold a curl very nicely. So I don't really have anything bad to say about this wig. It was the perfect price, it's the perfect length for me, and I'm short. I'm like 5'3", and it went past my butt. Some 30 inches on these websites they be saying it's 30 inches, but it really be giving like 26 or something. But this is definitely true to length. I absolutely love this hair. Like, I hope you guys found this review helpful. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like, comment down below, do all that fun stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time, thinking about the things that we did. You did something, cause shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down, although when no one else around. Got me taking a step on the wild side, cutting all ties with them other guys. Where you look in my eyes, helping me nice and slow. You made me wanna come through, quarter after 2, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of those things that you had me with. You made me wanna come through, quarter after 2, just to put it down on you. You made me wanna replay all of those things that you had me with. Look at what you made me wanna do. Might drop all my niggas for you. Got my feelings running on a loop. This ain't what I'm really used to.
Before anything happens between us, be sure you 10 toes down before I pull out this card. And the only thing that's coming beside me at the situation is you waiting and get some more. I told you I'ma take your places, I seen it in your face, and I knew that you would say this. So how you wanna play this? Yeah, you got somebody. I've been in this predicament. Don't trip, creep the street. That's just what we dealing with. Come through.
I should've known better. Can't even pretend like I don't want it again. On the brain all the time. Thinking about the things that we did. You did something. Cause shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down.